I didn't think I was gonna do a second video, but there are so many coming out of the ground that I just had to highlight this epic battle for survival. Is they each, I don't want to say fight, but try. There's plenty of tree. It's not like there's not enough real estate. But there are, I want to say thousands. To say hundreds is an under. Oh. If that guy's gonna make it. Let's see if I can help him. I don't know if it's too late for him to have his wings inflate. Join your friends. Oh, he grabbed on, so maybe he'll be okay. Who knows? They are so dumb. Like I like them. They're fine. They're really just ugly butterflies. But man, are they dumb. I got multiples climbing on my leg thinking I'm a tree over here. They're just literally everywhere. How do I have two on my leg? Ah! They're just climbing right out of the ground. I am not a tree. I don't blame you for thinking I'm a tree, but I am not a tree. I will help you, but the rest is on you guys. Go for it. Good luck. Go for it. Good luck. You get a tree, don't fall off. These guys all just climbed out of the ground. The ones still in their husks, obviously. The ones with no wings yet. But all the ones on the ground aren't going to make it. Probably. I guess the question is how many of them have fallen off the tree with their wings not inflated, only to never inflate? And how many still have a chance at pushing their wings out? This guy's gonna fight his way all the way to fight. There's no battle. I mean, they're not cooperative or anything, but sorry, just every time I laugh, something falls on me or climbs up my leg. There are literally that many. You're going the wrong way. I wish you luck, though. And this guy's wings don't look like they made it. This guy's wings definitely didn't make it. I might make it. I think he's trying to blow out his wings now. Takes. I'm not going to videotape the whole thing. I wanted to make a record of this. I don't know if you've ever seen it. I've never seen this many. Certainly not at once. And I don't know if I'll ever see it again. Supposedly it's every 17 years, but this is the first time I've ever seen it. Oh, that one's just coming out right now. In the shadow. I don't know how long it takes. Look.